Good morning, students. I think you all are in good health. Today we will start with formal letter, and in this part I am going to take order letter. Mostly these order letters are written by the companies, offices, hospitals, schools, etc. for ordering items or goods required for them in the bulk quantity. Bulk means in plenty, when they are required in plenty. And order letters are mostly written specific, very specific, because this is also one type of business letter. So very specific. The words are very limited. The points are also very limited. Okay. So now I will start with the format of order letter. Now first here is given address given. Address given, mostly this address is given in your question, which is also known as the sender's address. Okay. Then the date is mentioned, and then here you can see the reference number. Now reference number, sometimes it is mentioned in the question paper and sometimes the reference number is not mentioned. So this reference number you can write of your own, and this reference number is not compulsory. If you want you can write, otherwise you can leave also reference number. Then the next is receiver's address. Now this receiver's address is sometimes mentioned in your question or sometimes not. So when it is not mentioned in your question, then you have to write of your own. So the receiver's address, the manager to whom we are writing the letter, the name of the company, then address of the company, where the company is situated. So this is about the receiver's address. Then next comes the salutation. Now salutation you can write dear sir or madam, and you can also skip dear also. You can also skip dear. You can also write only sir or madam. Okay. Then next, which is very important, is subject. Now subject you can get from the letter. Then you have to write the subject in very limited words. Then next is the body of the letter or the content of the letter. Okay. And in this content we have to write the reference to quotation dated. Okay, because as this is the official letter, so the letter to quotation dated. The next, the list of required items to be ordered. Whatever items you have to be ordered, and that it is better if you can make a chart or a table when you are ordering the items. The next is date on which the delivery is required. Then mode of payment, whether you are paying in cash or check. Then items to be in good condition as per requirement, because sometimes it happens that in transportation the orders are damaged. Okay, so this is all about the content part. And then next is again the salutation, which brings the end to our letter, that is yours faithfully. Then the name and your designations. Okay, so this is what in our letter, that is the order letter. I think you have understood the format. Thank you.